So guys, I am so tired. I've been up in this hill. There. Up in this hill. This is the hill up top side of my ground. Chopping some steak for the cucumbers because I want to steak them and then run some cutter on it so the cucumber can run on the steak. So I'm in the hill doing that right now. Let me go back for the machete. Oh my god. This is a lot of work, I can tell you that though. So like there's one right there. So here's a good steak that I can use. This one right there. So this one here is a good steak I can chop, and I can also cook this one also if it's not dry. I can cook that one also. So I need about 30 steaks, so that's what I am looking right now. Okay. So after I had cut the steaks, I had cut them again and then sharpen the end of the sticks and use a piece of board to drive it into the ground. So I use those to stake the cucumber. So they're standing up strong. As you can see, they're not shaking. So yeah, those are the steak that I chopped in the hill.